The butterfly here. That's what happens when you're in nature. Butterfly. I'm in the woods, out in nature. Got butterflies here. Nice. You see butterflies. See, it's a red, beige butterfly. Butterflies bring good luck, good fortune. Now it's flying. There it is. Just passed me. Right here. There's the butterfly. Flying. Yep, it's right here. There it is. Trying to catch up to its speed. There the butterfly is. Brings good luck, prosperity. Butterflies. Let's see. There's the butterfly flying. See that butterfly? It's right there. See? Butterflies, God's creation. Remember that God created all things. Butterflies, trees, forests, soil. Man came from dust, and so on and so forth. So it came to be in existence. So butterflies are here, flying away, flying. They stick there. It's a good thing. There's a nice butterfly there. Yep, nice butterfly. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fly off the leaf. No, it stays there. There's the butterfly. Still on the leaf. And I'm still catching a glimpse of it. And it flies off the leaf. And it's right here. Give me 1 second. Catching up to it. Ah, there it is up there. Fly it up there. It's right up there. Ladies and gentlemen, you see it? See? It's right here. There it is. Trying to catch it. See, it's right in front of me. It's right in front of me. Now it's up there on the tree. Yep, you see it? God's creation. He created butterflies. So much things God created I've never seen. But you have to go to other countries to see it. And there the butterfly is, guys. Go, go. Go. There's the butterfly. Alright, that's enough for today. Just wanted to show y'all a glimpse of a butterfly that I've seen here in the woods. It's gone now, but I can see it. It's gone now, but I just wanted to show y'all how the butterfly looks close up in a 2D, 3D image. Thank you. Thank you.